Hey there, fellow car enthusiasts. Buckle up because we're about to dive even deeper into the world of the Mercedes-AMG S63e Performance. This powerhouse of a car isn't just a beast on the road, it's also a technological marvel that pushes the boundaries of what's possible in the world of luxury performance vehicles. First up, let's talk about that engine. The heart of the S63e Performance is an absolute beast, an AMG handcrafted 4.0-litre V8 bi-turbo engine that pumps out a jaw-dropping 791 horsepower and a mind-blowing 1,055 pound-feet of torque. With numbers like that, you'll be leaving supercars in the dust without breaking a sweat. But what's truly impressive is how Mercedes-AMG has managed to extract such insane power while still delivering decent fuel economy, thanks to its F1-inspired hybrid system. Speaking of which, let's dive deeper into that hybrid system. At its core is a permanent magnet synchronous motor paired with an AMG high-performance lithium-ion battery pack containing 1,200 liquid-cooled cells. The 13.1 kilowatt-hours battery, developed in collaboration with Mercedes' F1 team, ensures optimal temperature with its dedicated cooling system, seamlessly complementing the V8 engine. This combination allows the S63e Performance to harness the power of electricity to deliver electrifying performance while also improving overall efficiency. And with a 0 to 60 miles per hour time of just 3.2 seconds, it's clear that this hybrid setup means serious business. The result is not just raw power, but a greener footprint, with an electric-only range of up to 20.5 miles, perfect for those silent, emission-free city cruises. Now let's talk about the transmission. The S63e Performance comes equipped with an AMG SpeedShift MCT 9-speed transmission. This lightning-fast gearbox delivers seamless shifts and lightning-quick gear changes, ensuring you're always in the right gear for maximum performance. Plus, with 7 AMG Dynamic Select driving programs and 3 AMG Dynamic settings for vehicle responsiveness, you can customize your driving experience to suit your mood and driving conditions. Of course, power is nothing without control, and that's where the AMG Performance 4MATIC Plus fully variable all-wheel drive system comes into play. This advanced system delivers power to all 4 wheels with precision, ensuring maximum traction and stability in any driving conditions. Whether you're tearing up the track or cruising down the highway, you can trust that the S63e Performance will keep you glued to the road. But it's not just about brute force with the S63e Performance. It's also about finesse. That's why Mercedes-AMG has equipped this beast with state-of-the-art suspension technology, including AMG Ride Control Plus suspension and AMG Active Ride Control Roll stabilization. These systems work together to provide a smooth and controlled ride, whether you're tearing up the track or cruising on the highway. Now let's talk about the high-performance braking system. The S63e Performance features an AMG high-performance braking system designed to deliver exceptional stopping power and precise brake feel. With large ventilated and perforated brake discs paired with high-performance brake calipers, this braking system ensures confidence, inspiring braking performance in any situation. Moving on to the exterior, in the DNA of the S63e Performance flows the essence of Formula One. The S63e Performance is an absolute head-turner, with its sleek lines, aggressive stance, and signature AMG wheels, and with aerodynamic enhancements that optimize airflow and reduce drag. This beauty isn't just about looks, it's about performance too. From the front grille to the rear diffuser, every element of the exterior is designed to enhance performance and turn heads wherever you go. The suspension, derived from race-tuned components, transforms every road into your personal racetrack. This isn't just a car, it's a direct descendant of the dominant Mercedes-AMG Petronas Formula One team. Of course, performance isn't the only thing the S63e Performance has going for it. Step inside, and you'll be greeted by a cabin that's straight out of a luxury penthouse. From the sumptuous leather upholstery to the exquisite wood and metal accents, every inch of the interior exudes opulence and refinement. And with features like heated and ventilated seats, ambient lighting, a panoramic sunroof, and a suite of driver assistance features, every journey in the S63e Performance is a first-class experience. The S63e Performance features a multifunction steering wheel with integrated touch controls, allowing drivers to access various vehicle functions without taking their hands off the wheel. Additionally, the steering wheel features a dedicated AMG drive unit with customizable driving modes, allowing drivers to tailor the sedan's performance to their preferences. Speaking of high-tech features, let's talk about those screens. With not one, but two high-resolution displays, including a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster and a 12.8-inch touchscreen multimedia display, and with features like AMG Track Pace, which allows you to analyze your track performance in real time. You'll have all the information you need right at your fingertips. The MBUX multimedia system is the brain of this operation, seamlessly integrating cutting-edge technology with user-friendly controls. It's like having your own personal command center on wheels. And let's not forget about the sound system. With a premium Burmester surround sound system, you'll be treated to crystal-clear audio quality that turns every drive into a concert on wheels. And with advanced noise cancellation technology, you can enjoy a quiet, peaceful ride even at highway speeds. And finally, let's talk about the competition. When it comes to high-performance luxury sedans, the S63e Performance is in a class of its own. While competitors like the BMW M760i and Audi S8 offer similar levels of luxury, or the BMW M5 and the Audi RS7 offer huge power outputs, none can match the blistering acceleration, unparalleled comfort, or cutting-edge technology that this beast brings to the table. It's a car that sets the standard for excellence in its class and leaves rivals in the dust. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more awesome content, and until next time, happy driving.